Hey you guys, I'm back again with another video. Rocking the protected hairstyle braids. Neon on the tips. Anyway, you guys have to watch this whole video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe. So I washed my hair last night. Now I'm just undoing the braids because this kept my hair from getting detangled, so this would help. Olive oil, and as you see, that's why it's so shiny. Rock it like this, but it is so hot outside, y'all. I'm in California, Cali in the house, and it is hot. So just gonna unbraid both of them. Hope it doesn't bother you guys that I speeded up the process. This hairstyle actually only took like 15 minutes to do, okay? And I hope you like the soundtrack. It's my boy the Priest. His information is down below. This is the type of brush I use. That's the comb I use. I don't use that brush and that type of comb when my hair is dry, you guys, because it gets very tangled easily. I do have a little bit of oil in there so it could slip through when I braid it. And now I'm trying to part it exactly in the center really good so it could come out nice. Never comb my hair, but when I do comb my hair, I make sure it's dry and it's already pretty much detangled, and I start the way from the top and work the way down to the bottom. I only bought 2 bags of hair, so I'm hoping that I should have enough. Easy, fast hairstyle. Guess I had to go to Sally's in a hair salon to get this pink. And you want to make sure it's somewhere where it's hard floors because this hair makes a mess. Alright, so I'm placing a bunch of gel. I parted it here. So part it there. Put the gel all along here. And then I want a little designs on a little bit else. So I can do a little, you know, make sure I comb through it. Nice and drenched with the gel. Alright. So I parted it, had gel, and let's get started to braid it. So as I braid it, you guys, I'm adding a little bit of piece of the extension neon pink and ombre hair as I'm braiding it. right, so I'm getting started on the other side, you guys, just gelling it up a little bit, leaving a little bit of my edges out so I could do a nice little baby hair curl. And there we go, there we go. Gonna braid it the same way I braided the other side, adding a little bit of hair as I braid it through to leave the braid to make it even all the way, and I cut the tips if a big knot appears, not of my hair, but of the extension hair. And I drench it with gel, just really drench it with the gel. Do you see how I'm adding a little bit of the neon pink extension hair with the braid? I'm trying to add it in the back so you won't see it of the braid. So see how I wrapped it around, then I go over, wrapped around and go over, wrapped around and go over, and then I'll add some more and just small amount of pieces of extension neon pink hair or the ombre hair. And I'm not braiding too tight. Right now I'm just playing around with it, thinking of some other ideas and other ways to style it once I complete it. I'm just like, oh, it looks so pretty up. It's so hot outside. Well, let's get started with this back braid. I am going to leave a little baby curl out by my neck. Adding some of the neon pink synthetic hair to the back in a small little piece, and I'm gonna add another piece into the braid, and I always add it from the back of the braid so you can't see it. The hair gets pretty messy on the tip, so I just actually cut the tips as I go. Now this is my first time ever trying this, you guys. I am not a professional braider or anything like this. I just do protective hairstyles. Hope you guys enjoyed. This is the after of the braids, and I wanted them pretty long all the way to waist, but I wanted them to look pretty even. This is a very affordable gel under $3 called Clear Ice Extra Hold. I used some yarn, of course, and I used a brush. So I'm all done braiding it, as you see, and I did a little bit of baby hair right here, and it doesn't look too red. I like it. I can tell it's pink. So what I'm doing with the tips, I'm using neon string. This is some old string I found. Yeah, neon, and I'm just wrapping it, and I'm using this glue to hold it in place, just to give it some more style, more depth, instead of just using a rubber band because those always break. Just finished up with the braids. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, push that subscribe button, and watch my next one right there.